Hello, good and wonderful people. Welcome back again. It's your girl, AB World Entertainment. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Depends on the time you guys are watching me from. How is everyone doing? I hope you all are doing great. My country people, another one, don't they share again for inside Nigeria, the zoology country. This one I want to tell you, so now two stories I get for here to tell you, my country people. The first one now about bride and groom. Now see the way the man take provoke the angry groom find out for im wife or for their wedding say the belle wey im wife get no be im get am, say na im best friend na im get the belle. As I dey tell una so, marriage don scatter. Egungun be careful, na express you dey go. Na so we see am, my people. Now say make I just quick leave the message for una for here. Say see wetin dey sup for inside this ogbonge Naija. Say egbe don gas, fowl nyash don breeze don blow, fowl nyash don open. My people, another video still dey when I wan still talk about when man vex, guy vex for club for cinema, collect a cloth wey he buy for his girlfriend when he's cash am with another man for cinema. Oh my God, a lot dey happen. Men dey vex nowadays because women don dey use soap take dey baff. Who wan come cut soap for them? My country people, egbe don gas for here. This man wey una see for here so, na him be the groom of the day. So on their way, na him wife dey confess give am say the belle wey she get say no be the guy own, say na him friend own. How the something take leak, my people? I go yarn una. Now when the going was going tough, na be this one. You know say groom and bride no dey stay for the same car, you understand? Una know say some men can do aproko. Some men can do aproko, my people. As the woman don comot for house, the man don comot since. As the man hear the something for inside car, he first talk say na rumor. But when he come reach church, you know say na man first dey reach church before woman. The man come go ask the person wey tell am who leak the secret. Na the groom. Sorry, the best man na leak am, say make him just tell you, my brother, no be say he no like you, but see wetin dey sup. Say this your wife wey you wan marry, she get belle o. Now the brother, the man say, yes, I know my wife is pregnant. Come say, okay, no problem. Where is nothing for happen? I say Lagos. Now come say, me I just tell you, I dey catch your wife, catch your best friend. And the best friend be this one. And the boy constantly get the guts to constantly attend the wedding. A lot of people, a lot of things dey happen. Some people no dey shame. You dey nyash your friend wife to be, e no reach you. You still come their wedding to come rub am put for the man face. And this one Yoruba dey call omashi o. You too do, my brother. Now the man come go block his wife for road, call am say, honey, where are you? The woman just say, I'm coming. You know, and women dey take time for dressing and everything. Now the man come say, okay, where you come dey now? And they say they dey road. Where the something for that is where which area you dey? Now the girl just tell am say in dey so and so place. Now the man just tell am say stop there, in get surprise for you. Behold, my people, sister Betty say maybe he get one something wey wan send come, wey come give am. So na surprise. Now the sister driver stop, the chief bridesmaid and everybody stop. The man tell them for church saying they come. As dem hold am reach, he say they come. You know say that kind of person wey dey church already, dey front of church, never even enter inside. They tell am say make enter inside. Say no be so him with your wife take plan na. If your wife don comot for house, so now she go take enter inside church. Now him get wedding. No say brother don hear gbege. My people, some women that their akpekus they no fit keep am for one place. I no know. If na this one come find pass your guy, why you know your follower? Why you can't deceive your guy? Now you are trying to dash the pregnancy on another person, and you are wedding another person to another person picking. Now wow, my people. na so the matter take happen. Na this man run go block e babe for road. As he reach there, the groom jump out from inside a car, tell e best man say, oya come here, follow me. So then he come call him wife, come dey tell am something. As he tell am finish, if just how he take do, if talk the something, come tell the woman say make the she bride make comot for inside car and the driver wan talk to his wife alone. So as he come talk, the girl come dey beg am, honey, it was a mistake. So it is true, you dey follow me dey go wedding ground. I wan go put life contract ring for your hands. Now you dey tell me say another person get pikin wey dey inside your belle. Hey, egbe don gas, tori don wowo. Na so the matter reach, my people, as we dey talk am so. As the man come out, the woman think say na play play. The boy jump out for inside the car. E be like say no first dey the guy mind before. You understand? At least you still find how you want to do am. You go do CNA, as that our brother talk am. You do CNA, make you look whether na your pikin. Maybe they just do, but nothing like that happen. You understand? Na so the matter take sup that year. My country people, as I dey talk to una so, this our brother jump out from inside the motor, begin dey waka. Na him wife follow am. Na the whole groom and the best man and she bridesmaid take know wetin dey sup. Say egbe don gas o. Say trouble dey o. True. Na dem run follow am. Na the wife begin dey shout, egba mi o, mo ti kú o, mo dáràn, he don enter trouble o, he don peme o, he don delete o, make una come o, marriage don end o. Wetin end marriage? Brother say he no do again. Wetin happen? Sister no gree talk. Na dem say you go talk o. Na the matter dem do before sister come open up, come say see wetin dey happen. Na dem come dey beg the man. Na when the man come open mouth tell dem say no more marriage, because him wife belle wey he get no be she, whether na she or be him, no be him get am. And they scream say egba mi o too. You know say Yoruba people, the way they tell they shout egba mi, they open all their mouth for ground. All my Yoruba people in the house, I hail you now. Na so the matter take sup. I wan ask, wetin make the woman go dey friend another man when you know say you get serious boyfriend? Once you dey with one guy, dey with the guy, no dey follow other person again. You understand? The problem be say, my people, I no know wetin dey make women dey go dey flirt up and down for relationship or for marriage. You know say this your guy no dey okay, maybe e cassava no dey okay, or e character, or e no reach. You pack out of the relationship than you go come dey inside the relationship, then you come from there dey nyale. You understand? E dey very very bad. See am now, on a wedding day now, na disgrace enter this one body. Many like that. When the husband come confront the best friend, the boy come open eye say, so na cash dem cash am so. Abeg, make una learn how to dey stay with one man. Learn how to stay with one man, because if not, all this shame and disgrace go dey wear una cloth one by one. See am now, wedding day wey everybody supposed to happy, your parents now, all those ones, you don put shame for their body, just because of say you wan go test for outside. Now she don dey shout ayuto, egbami, help. So if you say maybe the man no go find out, how you go give another person belle to another man? My country people, make una share this matter, make una balance am. Abeg, for the comment section, make una leave comment for me for comment section. If wetin this our sister do, or wetin the brother do, wey take disorganize this marriage, take to say he not continue with this marriage again, abeg make una leave comment for me for comment section. Make we just discuss about this matter. Make we discuss am. Wetin some of our guests nowadays dey do, e dey very very bad. E dey very very bad. Now I say make I just bring the video come give una make una see how the matter take sup. Wetin make the man vex leave marriage? Wetin make am end the marriage say he no do again? Na all this kind thing. Sometimes e no good make we all dey judge people for back without we no know wetin dey sup. So that one end the first video. This second video na still the same story, similar story. You get boyfriend, you still get another side boyfriend for outside. Unfortunately, this guy no know say this im boyfriend dey come that place where he with another person go. I don't know, Nigeria people, some too like to dey date more than 2-3 boys. One for school fees, the other one for shoe, the other one for afternoon food, while the other one na for your heart strength. I no understand. Mungu 1, Mungu 2, Mungu 3, Mungu 4. E get where I for go learn work for Nigeria. E get one of my working person wey I see for there. The guy wey the boy wey the girl dey date for there, na that one dey give am lunch money, while another one come dey greet am, dey give am money for ticket. Nice, we dey call am ticket for here, for transport fare, money wey she go take buy ticket go work. Another one dey for heart strength. I no understand. If this kind thing come happen, unwanted pregnancy come enter inside the because you no go know who give you belle for inside. Just like wetin the first video when I talk about, you get belle now, they wed another person. You understand? So now the boy don catch am for cinema. As he catch am for cinema, na him is, and the boy dey funny sha. Maybe the boy na say poor person. I no call her poor rat. Poor person.
She dey comot am herself new. Omo. This matter don pass. See the girl.
He collect the shirt, collect the handbag. You know, see, so the things wey dey with am, if they collect am, then they throw away the things they give the boy. Boys dey vex. He collect everything we buy for the girl. Now another person come pull this jeans jacket, I come pull give the girl, say me take cover a body. But my brother, you see to do. How you go? You just want me to get just go home naked. Boys dey vex. Maybe that the period of boys dey vex, maybe this one. Maybe the title of this video will be boys dey vex. Because they say na girls na can dey cut soap now, na can dey use soap take dey bath for any junction. Now the boy don vex throw away, collect his shirt from his girlfriend hand. Girlfriend fiancé. Our people, abeg, may we learn how to stick with one man, pere. Ọkùnrin kan. With that one, we go feel. If you see say the guy no good, if you shift am, look for another one. No be say you dey jump from Peter to Paul. At the end of the story, you no go know who get pikin for inside. Everybody dey blame this boy and say the act no good. Yes, the boy not do am well. You don already buy am for the girl, you don already buy am for am, but you're not supposed to just come disgrace am for outside, for here. Say, may you collect everything wey you buy for am. Dey very, very wrong as a guy. You understand? You still look the time where una take play. Those time where una take jolly. Me, I dey always dey talk and say I don't know wetin dey cause relationship. When relationship go just end, the kind way two of them go just they go just turn to enemy, and then enmity go just come between them. It go be like say they no fit know each other before. So me, I dey wonder wetin dey happen. You understand? That match where they take the talk say I love you. At the end of the story, nothing. So my people, make una look this matter. Wetin this guy do to this girl, e good. Make una still judge am from una own way. The guy go cinema. see a girlfriend for there with another man, they jolly they kiss each other. So wetin the girl wear, him collect am from him hand, go reach the handbag, collect everything, say na me buy you this handbag. Our guests, I want you this opportunity to talk to una, say make una no dey depend on boys, you understand, depend on man. Work, look for work. Even though you depend, women, stop depending on men. If to say you dey work now, say you know you depend on the man salary 247 for your house rent, for your feeding, for your afternoon lunch, for your tea fare. This guy no get right to even come collect things from you. Not be say I side the girl, say e dey date two boy. For Nigeria, then they talk and say if you no date two boy, no fit meet up for life. You be like people wey dey Europe who no fit work extra hour, you know, fit meet up for life. So now, so this one still be, you understand? So, but for me, make una learn how to go work. Be a be creative. Go learn work. Nigerian girls know they learn work nowadays. Everything na bad boy. Now make them, they use them for also. So you understand? Learn work and learn how to be creative in life. Because this kind of thing no go fit happen to person wey get your money. As the boy come, e no go give you this kind open disgrace wey go take collect all the clothes from your hand, go reach handbag. My sister, make una dey work. Stop depending on men. You understand? Stop depending on men. So now only this one I get to tell una. So my country people, I will leave una for this video. I will see una for another video wey no go too tey. I remain una humble sister AB World Entertainment. Abeg, if today happens to be the first time wey you dey come across this video, or you first dey watch, you never subscribe, abeg make you use this opportunity to subscribe and also hit the notification bell, so that anytime wey I upload any new video, you will be the very first person to be notified that I just uploaded a new video. By doing so, God bless you. To my new subscriber, you all are welcome to this wonderful platform, and to my returning subscriber, may God bless you all for me in the mighty name of Jesus.
She dey comot am herself news. Omo, this matter don pass. You see the girl. See the girl.
This guy will call my friend. This stupid guy will call my friend. All of them are going to Raya. So I'm going to Raya. He's my friend.
Bros, I beg, bros. Today na your wedding. Please go. Don't happen.